So this is Jio FI dongle which I purchased from Amazon.in. So it came from 1999 rupees. This is a good dongle, and I just and it's, if your signal is good, you can get 17 to 18 Mbps of speed with the upload speed of 5 Mbps. So when we open the package, we'll be having the dongle along with the charger and plug-in, and also we'll get some. So this is a charger cable plug-in. We have USB wire. We have some just information, play cards. That's it in the box. And how you can open this, just we need to press in the sidebar and we can open the Jio FI dongle. And once we open the dongle, it's like that. So we have a battery, we have a back cover like that, so we put, and just like a phone, we need to open it, we need to remove the battery, we need to insert the SIM like this, and we need to close it and press. So after you open it, we just need to press on this middle button. Once we open the button, on press and hold the button, the Jio FI will open. So, and it will be working fine. So if it shows red, no signal, blue means medium signal, green means good signal. So press and hold the button. So first one is signal strength, Wi-Fi, and also this is the battery percentage. Thank you guys.